I want to talk about that for a second because, again, as somebody who with kids, children, were in a city that was collapsing during a pandemic that was a postmodern information pandemic, and where we no longer could get reliable information in Minneapolis about what was happening blocks away, we are the survivors of disinformation war and post digital civic collapse. And it gets nasty fast. And one of the things that affects people is trauma. I don't know if you've heard this term ontological shock that gets thrown around a little bit, but it's literally the idea that the mainstream media has finally started adopting, that when you cross these filter bubbles, when you interact with this other reality, and you figure out that your reality isn't the meta reality or that there's an entirely different world, you technically suffer trauma symptoms,
Mm.
because if trauma is an unnarratable event or your brain can't put these pieces together. So, with the country right now, everyone is stuck in these filter bubbles, living in these different realities. And the people that are interesting are the ones that are crossing these boundaries and truly trying to inhabit both of them, but it's beating the hell out of them as well. And I think we have to also treat this as a mental health crisis. And we have to remember it's a disinformation or it's a war. This is warfare. This is what casualties look like. This is what treating
Right.
those casualties look like.